Toyota RAV4, the car that basically invented the modern compact SUV, is stepping into a new era. Nearly 30 years after its debut, the 2026 RAV4 arrives completely reimagined. Sharper, smarter, and now, fully electrified. For the first time ever, there's no gasoline-only version. Every RAV4 you buy now runs on hybrid or plug-in hybrid power. The standard hybrid pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with Toyota's latest electric motor setup, pushing out up to 236 horsepower in all-wheel drive form. It's smoother, quicker, and 11% more powerful than before. But the real showstopper is the RAV4 plug-in hybrid. Toyota calls it their 6th-generation hybrid system, and it's a serious upgrade. You get 324 horsepower, 41 miles per gallon combined, and up to 52 miles of pure electric range. That's more EV range than most people drive in a day. Charging has gotten easier too, from fast 30-minute top-ups on higher trims to 4-hour home charges on level 2. Underneath, Toyota has stiffened the chassis, retuned the suspension, and added smarter braking tech to make the ride feel tighter and more confident. Even the AWD system can send electric torque to the rear wheels when cornering, so yeah, it's still a RAV4, but one that actually likes curves. And then there's the wild one, the first ever RAV4 GR Sport. Built with Toyota's Gazoo Racing team, it takes that same 324 horsepower PHEV setup and adds GR-tuned suspension, a lower ride height, and 20-inch performance wheels. Inside, you get sport seats, red stitching, and those subtle GR touches everywhere. Tech-wise, Toyota has loaded this thing. A new Arene software platform means over-the-air updates, 5G connectivity, and cloud navigation. There's even a built-in dashcam, a smarter Hey Toyota assistant, and the latest Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 with radar, cameras, and AI-based driving assist. The 2026 RAV4 hybrid hits US dealerships this December, starting in the low $30,000. Plug-in versions follow next spring. It's not just another update, it's Toyota saying the small SUV it created is now ready for the electric decade.